Evening, folks. DC Works here. Thought I'd talk about quarter-inch extensions tonight. Snap-on sells, well, more than one set, but they sell two of the sets. The straight or regular extensions and the wobble extensions. Straight extensions, of course, are just a common straight extension. This. And wobble extension allows you a little bit of articulation, a little bit of swivel, without having to put a swivel on it. If you were to buy these sets from Snap-on, the first set would be the 106 BTMX. That set, of course, is a 6-piece set. In that set, you get the 1 inch, the 2, the 4, the 6, 8, and an 11. So that's a 6-piece set. 5 of those are knurled. Got the little knurling on it so you can handle it when they're slick with grease. The 1 inch is not knurled. Not sold in this set, you'd have to purchase separately, would be the 3 inch. 3 inch straight extension. You can also purchase a 14 inch. So that concludes the set of those. I do not have the 24 and the 36. They do sell those. Them would be extra also. On the wobble set, a 106 ATMXW. You get the 1 again, the 2, the 4, 6, 8, and the 11. That is actually, if you buy separately, the 3 inch wobble extension. That would make a complete set of wobble extensions. Once again, they're all knurled except for the 1. There just ain't enough space to put a knurl in there. I personally really like quarter-inch drive, and thusly I have quite a few. So I appreciate the support, and have a good night. Thank you.